Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade on Charles Schwab. In this video, we will guide you through the steps needed to get started with trading on the Schwab platform. First, make sure you have your Schwab account set up. If you haven't done that yet, visit the Schwab website or app and complete the registration process by providing the necessary personal information and identification. Once your account is active, log into the Schwab platform using your credentials. You will land on your account dashboard, where you can view your balance and recent activity. To start trading, navigate to the Trading tab or section of the platform. Here, you will find options for various types of trades, including stocks, ETFs, options, and mutual funds. To place a trade, simply select the asset you intend to trade by searching for its ticker symbol. After entering the symbol, you will see detailed information about that asset. Choose whether to buy or sell, and input the number of shares or contracts you wish to trade. Before confirming the trade, review your order for accuracy. Additionally, you can set parameters for market or limit orders based on your trading strategy. After confirming your order, you will see a notification that your trade has been submitted. You can monitor the progress of your trade in the orders section of your account. Remember to keep an eye on the market and adjust your trading strategy as needed. With these steps, you are now ready to start trading on Schwab and manage your investments effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.